All right, there we go. Needed to lower down the music. I think that's a good volume. Let me know if that's a good volume on the music, or if I should go maybe a little higher on the music. But good morning, everyone. I'm excited for today. I've since Monday stream, we didn't do too well on Monday stream when it came to the new strategy, the VWAP. And so I'm excited. I've been doing some paper trading. I've been doing some more research on the VWAP, and I think I've understood how to play it better. And so, I mean, today I've already made, I don't know, like a couple $100. I've already made some trades. I'm trying to get up earlier. And, let's see, what is my P&L for today? And I'm also on a new site. I'm trying out a new trading site. I think I've made today already like $400. $400 today on one trade, and the trade's still going. So it's been a good day. I feel like I'm more confident in this new trading strategy. I was green on Monday, and I was not winning. I thought I knew what I needed to do, and it did not work. But now I'm actually winning. I've won on paper trading, and yesterday I was paper trading, won. Then today live trading, and I've won on there. And I was doing some paper trading also at the same time, winning on the paper trading. So, which I'm going to actually go into today and show you guys how I paper trade and what I do. So you guys can go practice too. But yeah, welcome to the stream. Happy Monday or happy Wednesday. It's hump day today. We're halfway through the week. And guys, I'm super stoked because that means this week, at the end of it, August is done. September starts. Then we're 1 month closer to October. And October is going to be a crazy month for crypto. And my baby girl comes, my daughter comes in October, my first daughter ever. And I get to be a dad. So I'm excited. I'm excited. Yesterday was actually my birthday, so that was cool. Got to hang out with my wife. We're celebrating this Saturday, but yeah, yesterday was my birthday, so it's been a great week. It's been a good week so far. But yeah, guys. Udurito, I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. I hope I am. But I want to address your question. You said, "Yo, bro, why aren't you repping an OK Bear anymore?" So first, I want to say I still love the OK Bears. Okay, I'm repping their merch right now. I rep their merch in almost every single stream I do. Peter, okay, I'll call you Peter. Also, thank you so much for following on Twitch. I got 2 new Twitch followers this last week. Rider Boy and Peter. So thank you so much for subscribing. But I want to address, I still love the OK Bears. All right, I'm repping their clothes right now. I still got my OK Bear, but the reason why I switched my PFP is solely because I do content, right? I do live streams, I create videos and I post them. I post on X, I post on TikTok, I post on all that stuff. X is the only place I rep an NFT as my PFP. On YouTube, on TikTok, on Instagram, on Discord, on everything else, it's my face. But X is the only place I rep an NFT as my PFP. And the reason why I switched from a DGOD to an OK Bear is strictly because repping a DGOD right now gets me way more engagement than repping an OK Bear. Not that I don't love the OK Bears still. Not that I don't find value in them. I love Kai's. I love Drims. The team is amazing. The community is amazing. I will always have love for them. And maybe one day I'll go back to a bear. But I did it solely because the ROI on my attention in my content, on the attention in my tweets and stuff, gets me more. My engagement has gone up since I've done that. And that's the business I'm in, is on X, on all that stuff. I need engagement. And if I'm going to get a better ROI, if I switch my PFP, I'm going to do it. So that's why I did it. No hard feelings to the OK Bears or anything. It was solely because it was the better investment in regards to attention grabbing when it comes to my PFP. So, yeah, understandable, bro. I got you. Yeah, no, I still got love for the Bears, though. I still love them. I mean, they're up. They were down below a 3 soul, and now I think they're almost at 5 soul. So, and I still hold several bears. Like I still have a good amount, and I still hold OK Dogs. I still hold decimals and all the coins and all that stuff. I still hold it. I'm still very much a part. But thanks, Peter. I'm stoked you're in here. Stoked you're watching. Everyone else, dude, this morning's stream is popping off already. We already got 30 people almost in the stream, which that's unusual when I just kick off the stream. I mean, we're only really like 15 minutes into the stream. So thank you guys for being here. We're starting off hot this morning. I like it. I mean, it's been a great week so far. The goal in today's stream, make $1,000. If you're on X, you know my stream titles is Let's Make a Ban. So the goal today is let's make $1,000 at least in profit for our trades. We are already at a profit of about, let me do the math so I can get the exact numbers, okay? We made $213.86 on one take profit. And then we had another take profit of 177.37. So this is our current profit. Oh, sorry, you're getting a bad glare. There you go. That's our current take profit that we've earned today, 391.23. Okay. So that's our goal, is to make about let me do the math. Minus 1,000. So we need to make this much more in today's stream, $608.77. All right, that'd be our goal. So, and we're about to hit another take profit soon. It's very close. And that one makes us another couple, like maybe $200 or something like that. So yeah, we're doing good. I think I caught a nice trend. If we break this low, we go further, and I'm excited. We'll get to the sharing of the screen, but I just want to, warm up, say good morning, hang out a little bit, and celebrate some things. Also on our Discord, we are now at 53 members in the Discord. Okay, that's sick. I'm so hyped for that. Like, we got now 11 followers on Twitch. We've broken our goal, which was 10. The follower thing that you see on the screen is supposed to auto update to a new number, but I guess it didn't do that. We'll have to see if I can fix that. But it's supposed to like auto update to like 20 or whatever, or 100. I don't know where it goes next, but we broke our goal. We broke our goal, and I'm stoked for that. That's another celebration point. Another celebration point is that on YouTube, we're over 1,900 subscribers. On X, we are so close to 7K, 7,000 followers. We're like 12 off, and then we get 7K. I've been working so hard to get to 7K. My goal was to hit 10K plus this year on X, but I don't know if I'm going to hit that. It's been a struggle. I cannot get past 7K. Literally for the past like 5 months, I can't break 7K. But that's okay. That's okay. We're working. We're going to be consistent, and I love having the little celebrations that we get to have. What's another celebration we got? Oh, this week. Okay, so this week a couple new things have started in our Discord. So if you see the thing on the screen right below my face, like literally right there, that's our Discord our code, okay? Oh, okay, hold up. We just got another TP that hit, and we made from that. Let's see, it's coming in, and I'll let you guys know how much we made on that one, and we'll add it to our so this is what we need to make, right? And this is what we need to make, right? And we just hit another TP that made us, once it comes in, I'll add it to this. It's like loading. $164 more, so plus 164.14. So this is what we need to make up now. We just hit another TP. 444.63. That's what we need to make. We just had another TP today, so we're almost at a band. I want if you guys are gonna click on my strings, that if I say I make $1,000 a day or whatever in my stream title, I want to actually like do that. I don't want it to be like clickbait where it's like, fake. I want to actually show you I can make $1,000 a day with trading if you do it the right way. And so could you if you just did it the right way. So I don't want to be clickbait. I want to actually show you, and I'll show you my P&L once we move on. But what was I? Oh yeah, I was talking about the Discord. So right here, this code right here is to our Discord. There's something new I do starting yesterday. I did it. But every Tuesday, Thursday at 7:30 a.m. It might be earlier, 7:30, whatever, PST. And if you go in the Discord, you'll see the events and like it'll show it in your time zone. So if you're like, what time is it in mine? Join the Discord and you'll see what the event is. But every Tuesday, Thursday, I'll be doing private like streams, I guess. It's basically voice chat, and I share my screen with you guys. And I'll be basically doing my TA and everything on Tuesday, Thursdays. So you get even more of me throughout the week. And in that one, you can literally join the VC, talk to me, ask me questions. You could share your screen. I could help you like look at your screen with you, and we can make trade like we can just work together and collaborate. So if you want to join the Discord, right there, use that code. Or if you're like, I would rather just click a link, go to any of my bios. I have my link tree, and the link is in the bio. And every Tuesday, Thursday, I'll be doing private calls in the Discord where you can literally just hop in a VC with me, I can share my screen, you can share your screen, and we can do TA and trade together in the morning. And I usually do it for about an hour and a half because that's the time I kind of like to trade in the morning, like an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours, depending on how the market's going. And yeah, like I was doing it yesterday. No one showed up yesterday, but that's okay. It was the first one ever. And right, you got to start somewhere. So I did it first one yesterday, and we'll do another one tomorrow morning. So if you want to take part in that, join the Discord. It's at 7:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Might be earlier, could be later, but it usually will be before 7:30. And then this Friday night, we have our first game night, which is no trading, no nothing. It's just literally hanging out with the community and having fun together. We're gonna play Call of Duty. And we might be able to play Black Ops 6 if it's live by then, the beta, and we could play together. I'll give you guys my Call of Duty, like, whatever username or handle or whatever it is, and you can add me. We'll play together. Maybe if we get enough people, like 8 or more, we could do a private match where we just play with each other. We won't play in public. So yeah, if you would like to join in a game night, that's Web3 dudes. And gals, girls are welcome too, who are in the space and wanting to just build a relationship and hang out and get to know some new people in the space. Come hang out, play the game night. And this is the first of many game nights. I think we're gonna try to do at least 2 game nights a month, at least. So hop in there. September might not be able to do one because I have the Singapore trip, but we'll do at least one in September. We might hit our next TP. I'm hyped. This trade has been doing very well, and I think I figured out this new strategy. And it's really easy now that I've had it figured out. And I'll share with you guys, and I'll show you guys. I'll do like some replay in the charts, and I'll show you why I took this trade. Yeah, because we're about to hit the next TP. And I'm stoked. I have 3 more to hit. Yeah, 3 more to hit, and then I'll be looking for a long position. And if you're in my Discord, I shared that long position goal that I'm looking for, the support level. But yeah, guys, welcome in. Good morning. We're at 31 people right now. Like the stream, share the stream, all above. You know what to do. Any engagement is super helpful. To Ganja, not sure I can make it because of time difference, but we'll try. Sounds fun. I would love to have you, to Ganja. 1, I would love to have you there. And 2, it's 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So I don't know what that is for your time, but it's 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So West Coast in the United States, 6 p.m. If you're East Coast, that's like 9 p.m. And also, if you're in the Discord and you're like, that's way too late, you need to change the time, let me know. Maybe we do a different time. And I'm totally open to that. Just let me know. I would love to work with you guys because I want you guys to be able to come. I just picked 6 p.m. because there's not too many people in the Discord right now. So I just would rather pick it at a good time that is that I think would work, but we can always change later on. So, oh, dang. It literally just missed my TP. It's so close, but I think it'll hit. It's just got to push a little bit further. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Let's move our stop loss a little lower. All right. Should we get into the stream? Hey, Deganja, real fast. What time zone are you in? Just so I can kind of get an understanding of where you guys are kind of based. I know I got some people from Africa, like Madagascar. I know I got some people in the Discord from the EST time zone. Oh, and our poll in the Discord for if I should change the time I stream is about to end in 69 minutes. In 1 hour and 9 minutes, our poll will end in the Discord if you would like me to change my stream time. Right now we have 5 votes and the winning is morning. So keeping it at morning time, and then we're going to vote on the time in the morning. But that poll is ending very soon. and 1 hour and 9 minutes that poll will end. Yeah, Ganja, if you're still in here, let me know what time zone you're in, because then that would maybe even tell me, oh, should I go earlier or later? We'll keep it at 6 p.m. this week, but the next one maybe we'll change it. Maybe you're in PST. That'd be sick. We're in the same time zone. And maybe Friday nights might not be a good game night. Maybe it's better to do one in the middle of the week. All right, my TP is about to get hit again, and we'll add some profit. I think this one trade will get us to 1,000. This new trading site I really like. It's called BLOFIN. But I might not be able to use it for long. We'll see. Just because I have potential partnerships coming. All right. They might have left. The Ganja might have left. So we'll move on. All right. Let's move on. Let's get into some of that TA, that juicy TA you've come for. And let me actually share it before our TP hits, hopefully. Let's do it in time. See my screen? Oh, it just hit. See? Oh, shoot. I didn't realize that TP closed the entire position. Oh, that sucks. I thought I put that at a 50%. Oh, well. Well, that's a bummer. It closed my entire position. Let me go to my order history and I'll show you guys. So we just made another. Oh, dang it. It literally closed the entire position. So we made another 225.25. So this is what we have left to make for today. $219. But here, just so you guys can see, we'll zoom in a little bit. We'll zoom in so you guys can see. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this was the trade this morning. 7:46 a.m. First trade, we got a TP. Our first TP hit at a 2% profit of $213. Then we had this one at 8:10, right? About 40 minutes before our stream started. We got another TP hit at 177 profit. And then at 9:08, which is the one that just hit right at the start of the stream, we got 164 profit, and the one literally that just closed out our entire position at another 3.62% at 225. So we made about 2, 5, 7, 10% today on our position. Not too bad to start the morning. Okay, not bad at all, but this is a bummer. I'm really bummed that it closed out the whole position, because it's running. It's running down to where I want it to. Let's get back to our trading view, because it's going to this box, which is what I want. So I guess now, unless I see a correction, I won't be buying into this position again, and we might actually we might be short $219 today if we don't make another trade from the band. But we're up right now. Our current profit is plus 780. That's our current profit today, this morning, right? That's our current profit. So we need to make another 210 or whatever that is. 220, right? 220. Yeah, 220. Another $220. But yeah, my real goal is to see price tap this yellow box. Okay, so let's zoom out. Okay, let's first zoom out before we zoom in, and I tell you why I took that trade. All right, because I'm excited to share with you guys why I ended up taking that trade. I'll show you also my paper trading on TradingView that I was practicing on, and that paper trading, we're up $1,100 in the past 2 days. So that's pretty good, and that's just to show you, like, okay, this is profitable. That's why I was kind of like practicing. I wanted to get profitable on the paper trading and then move it to the real life stuff. Okay, so let's zoom out. Let's zoom out. Where is this yellow box? Why is this yellow box here? All that stuff, all right? So first we'll start in the weekly time frame. Right? We have our pennant, our wedge. Okay. We have our little wedge here on the weekly. We're getting very close to the bottom of that wedge again. Right? That's why I'm very excited for a long position to ride back up to up here. And then these blue and red arrows you see are my previous positions I've opened and closed within this week. So I took 1, 2, 3, 4 positions and made $1,100 with that. And that's fake money, right? Paper trading. Okay, so the weekly time frame, we got this pennant that we've been watching. Okay, the day time frame. Let's get to the day. This is kind of where you see those support and resistance points. Okay, this area has been a key support zone, right? It's touched one here. It bounced off. I mean, a bunch in this area, but you see this clump right here, and then this clump too, and this clump. All every time they touch this area, bounce off nicely and make a good move in the upward direction. And then we even have, if price breaks out of this box, this would be the most ideal, right? This like 120 area. But this is like 140, anywhere between 140 and 136 is this box. Okay. I'm very excited for price to hit this. It's very close. It is almost here. And I think once it hits this, we're going to see a nice correction up back to like 160 or even to our 190 area, 180, 190, right in this box. I think if we tap this again, right, I think we're going to 190 or 180. Sorry, 180 is I think where we're going. Because if you see here, you go pump, correction, pump, correction, pump. Which ideally, actually, we probably should have. This one should have been the one that moved that up. I thought it was. It didn't. We made a nice profit here. But I think we're going to test again, especially on this weekly time frame trend line. And then I hope we go to 180. So I'm waiting for this entry right here. So let's go to the 4 hour. The 4 hour really locks in that support zone. So see here, this nice wick off when it taps that area. We got this key resistance zone that could be a TP area, or up here is 180. That could be a good TP area. Hey, Tech CEO, Mike, welcome in. I hope you guys are having a great Wednesday. I just saw you guys' chat. Tech, thank you so much for the heart. Welcome in, guys. Happy Wednesday and good morning. But yeah, our goal is to see this tap down here in this support zone right here in this yellow box. And you can see we're very close. We're very close. And that yellow line you see across this on the 4 hour is the weekly time frame. Okay, the weekly time frame. And then do you see these red lines? I've added these red lines into the chart, and they're session breaks. So basically each day. Right, every red line is the start of a new day. I thought that would be helpful for me in identifying like what are times of the days that price maybe moves them best. When does the time of the day start technically on the chart, and so on. So in the 1 hour, you come down here. The 1 hour, you see this downtrend, right? 1 hour, you see this downtrend. Okay, and we're working this downtrend. We've touched here. I mean, we've even gone even lower. You could even do, right, like this. Right, like that. Let's fix this guy. All right, let's fix this. Get a little tighter. There we go. There's our kind of our trend line here. I think once we get to the bottom here and we break this trend, that's going to be a really good indication. But I'm going to try to enter inside this box. That's my goal. And maybe this happens tomorrow. Maybe this happens today in the stream. But like, if you want to, I think it touches the box tomorrow morning. I think that's what we get. It will be Thursday morning. And I will be doing the Maniac mornings with Maniac TA in the Discord in a private call. So if you would like to be a part of that tomorrow morning, get in our Discord and join up. Because I'll be doing the private call tomorrow morning, and I think it'll be the most ideal position. This is usually when it touches this box where I make the most profit. Like, that's when I've made 20K, 10K. So I'm hoping that when it touches this box, I get another 20K profit opportunity. I'm very, very, very excited for that. So I'm very looking forward. I have my alert here to let me know when the price has entered this box. I have an alert on the trend line here, so I know when price touches the trend line, and then I have alert at the bottom of this box, because if price touches the bottom of this box, that is an indication for me that price has broken the weekly trend line. Could indicate that we go lower to this box. Okay, so I have my 3 alerts here in this box that I will be notified if we tap in here. And I'm actively trying to figure out how to add alerts in my Discord so you guys would literally get the same alerts inside the Discord that I would. I know that's possible. I know there's a girl trader, her name's Tori, that she does it for her community, and I would like to do it for you guys, that you guys get the same exact alerts I do. Literally, they're from my chart. Like, you get the same alert from my chart. So yeah, I'm figuring out how to do that. And I want to add it to the Discord. What price will it be when it hits your target? Okay, this range, that's a great question, Webb. So the top of this box is 139.07 about. So you could even put it at 140. But like 139.07 is the top of the box. And then the bottom of the box is 136.17, or you could just put 136. I think that'd be a good range. 140 to 136 is my range in this. Let me add text. So it makes I'll just put the text of what it is. We'll just say 140. Or I'll put the exact number I have, just so you guys have literally the exact 139.16. All right. Oh, nope. No. There we go. And let me change the text color so it pops. Okay, and then let's do the bottom of this is, I'll do my exact number. 136 point. It's like 136, I'm pretty sure. So then you guys can see the exact. There you go. 136 and 139.16. Yeah, you're welcome, Webb. So if you want to add that box to your chart right now, that's right where my box is at, and it goes all the way across. Once it loads, it kind of goes all the way across. And here you can see bounces off here, touches here, bounces off, touches here, bounces off. Right? This one broke through, hit this box below, and bounced off really nicely. This one entered the box, bounced off hard. This one touched our weekly trend line, bounced off. Right here, touched the box, bounced off. This is a really good support zone. It's hit it several times and bounced off several times. Now, if it breaks the box, okay, I'll be watching it once it enters. Just because it touches the box doesn't mean I'm going to enter the trade. But if it pushes down, right? Say it is in the box, but then breaks out. Let's do my tool or my drawing indicator, right? Say if it hits our box, right? And maybe it plays around a little bit in here. Plays around, and then all of a sudden it breaks down, right? Retests, and it actually breaks down to here, right? Say it does that, right? When it enters this box, I'll be watching it. Just because it enters the box doesn't mean I'm taking the trade, because honestly, this would be a great, if it breaks out, retests, great short opportunity, right? And I would try to short it maybe to this box. So I think with the fact that the weekly trend line is here and it's in the box, I don't think we break lower, but anything's possible, right? I'll be watching it. And we will be watching it definitely tomorrow morning in the Discord live stream we'll do. And the Maniac mornings of Maniac TA. But I think when it hits this box, not financial advice, this is just my guesstimate. I think when it touches in here, especially when it touches the yellow line, we'll see a correction back up here. I think it's gonna do more like this. Touch here, maybe bounce out, maybe do a little playing around, and then I think it's gonna go up. That's what I think it's gonna do. I'll make that one, let's make it yellow, because that's what I think it's gonna do. Yellow is my opinion. This could be the anomaly, right, that it actually ends up doing and bounces down. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. I'm excited because I think we're about to get a very, very, very good opportunity before the end of the week, or it could be by end of week, right? It could be in Friday stream we actually end up taking this trade. But this will be, if I open a trade in this area, this will be a multi-day trade. So it won't be like we'll close it in an hour. No, we're probably going to be holding this trade for quite some time. Maybe into next week, to the end of next week. But now let me show you why I took this morning's trade and why I was so excited about this morning's trade. All right, let me remember where I entered. Okay, let's do a little, we can do replay. All right, we can do replay. And I'll literally be rewinding, I'll be rewinding the chart. So literally it'll like disappear the current candles and then we'll play it out. All right, so let me, this is honestly my first time ever doing the rewind. Replay trading. Advanced analysis for your bar replay. With replay mode, you can get extended statistics about your trading on historical data. Open bar replay. All right, launch bar replay. Okay. How do we bar? Oh, here we go. Replay. How do you do this? All right, how the heck do you do this? Start trading in bar replay mode. Maybe I gotta click like here. Caution, bar replay isn't available for this chart type. Oh, what? Okay, how do I make it? Dang it, it's not available for this chart type. All right, well, let's see if we can get a different chart type. What does that mean? Let's see if we can just add another Solana one. Sol USDT. Let's do like, sure. Let's try this one. Let's see if it looks the same. All right, yes. Let's try this one. Let's try this one. Let's see if this one works. Replay trading. Launch bar replay. Bar replay isn't available for this chart type. What? Learn more. Let's see. Let's see what bar replay doesn't work. There is no replay toolbar. We currently do not support the replay of spreads, non-traditional chart types. Oh, Heikin-Ashi. Oh, that's why. That's why. It's Heikin-Ashi. Not my actual. Oh, okay, okay. All right, so we'll change it. That's a bummer because Heikin-Ashi is kind of why I based it off of that, but we can do it without Heikin-Ashi. All right. I'm glad I looked into that. Let's change the candle type because it doesn't do Heikin-Ashi. I don't know why. All right, let's do this. So we'll start back. Let's see. Oh, here we go. Now it select bar. Oh, here we go. Okay. We'll start on this one. Okay. So here's what our chart looked like this morning. All right. I wake up. This is, time is this? 5:20 a.m. So I'm actually not awake yet. Okay, I got up around 6:30 and I get to the charts before 7. That's my goal now, is to get to the charts before 7. So you got this candle, right? We're gonna watch it a little bit. Okay, let's let this see how this one closed out. Okay, this one closed out in a bearish engulfing candle. I woke up, this is 5:45 a.m. so I'm not yet at my computer. But when I get to my computer, I see, are you going to buy NVDA? No, I trade Solana. Sorry, I just saw that game over. I trade Solana. That's the cryptocurrency I trade on. I don't really trade your typical stocks. I trade cryptocurrencies. That's my main, I'm Sol Maniac, Solana, or Sol is the ticker. And that's what I mainly trade. But yeah. So when I got to the charts, right, I'm gonna fast forward it to by the time I got to the charts. Okay, so we're currently at 5:55, so we need a little bit more. So by the time I got to the charts, let's see, we're at like probably about, let's see, what time is this? 6:35. 6:40, 6:45. Okay, yeah, this is when I was about getting to the chart. So as I'm looking back, right, I see bearish engulfing candle here. I see the VWAP is now touched on the 15-minute or 5-minute. Okay, I see there's wick, this one candle right here, this white candle wicked pretty good off of it. I was kind of wondering, is this candle going to be white, or is it going to break into the VWAP and break below the VWAP? Okay, so that's what I was watching here. I was like, what is price going to do at the VWAP, which is that light blue line? Okay, I also noticed that on the chart, this is the 9-day moving average, the 20-day is the dark purple, and the really dark purple is the 50-day. And I noticed the 9-day is about to cross all three in the downward momentum. Okay, so I was taking notice. What is the price going to do there at the VWAP? So let's look. Okay, so here, I wish I can go back. Select bar. Let's go back to that. Okay, so as you're looking at here, I entered my first trade this morning here. I was right here. Let me make a line. Okay, so I entered right there. I saw a price breakout of the VWAP, right? It broke below. And then the next candle was red and rejecting off the VWAP. So I entered right here. Okay, let's make it yellow. That was my first entry. Okay. And I put my stop loss here. Okay, so this will be, let's actually delete these. We'll actually make our position, right? So I went for short position. I entered right here. Put my stop loss right at the top from this previous high or correction, and I wanted my TP to be down here, down at this low. Okay, so as you can see, price is broken out. I entered and now it's playing out. Okay, so as you can see, I'm like, oh yeah, I'm like, oh heck yeah, dude, this trade's going well. And then all of a sudden this candle comes in. I'm like, dang it. And by this time, when I saw this big candle close, okay, let me go back one candle. Okay, when I saw this candle close, I moved my stop loss to break even because I was like, that's really good momentum. I'm just gonna literally eliminate all my risk, and I put my stop loss to break even. Okay, and then you see, what is this? Jump to real-time chart, forward play. Then you can see, boom, this next candle hit my stop loss, right? Okay, so now I'm out of the trade. I didn't lose money, but I didn't make money. I could have made money here, but it hit my stop loss, right? So now I'm like, okay, let's move this over because we got stopped out on this candle. That was a quick trade. We didn't end up making any money. This one, right? Price came back. I was like, oh, maybe we're going to go long and we're actually flipping. Maybe I got faked out and it's actually going to go above the VWAP and actually do like this, where it actually goes up higher. So I'm watching it, right? This candle hits the VWAP but rejects off a little bit. This candle hits the VWAP, breaks out a little bit, and I didn't enter because I was like, I would want to see a candle close, a bullish candle close above the VWAP, which is that blue line right there. And so as I'm watching it, then I get this next candle. It's a bearish candle, and I'm like, oh, it's rejecting again off the VWAP. So I'm letting it do its thing. I'm watching, and I see this. Wait, hold up. Wait, it's so fast. Then I see this. I'm gonna stop right here at this candle. Okay, I saw this. Okay, it rejected off the VWAP here with this candle. It did not break through, and then this candle also rejected and closed underneath the VWAP. So I entered again. Okay, I entered again, and I put my stop loss again up at this peak. Okay, I put it right up there, and I wanted my take profits right all the way down here again. I wanted it down there. Okay, so now the trade starts playing out. Okay, I'm watching. I'm like, oh, good. Yes, good momentum. It's continuing. Okay, so now I see the momentum. I start shrinking my stop loss to break even. So now I will not lose money, and we're only going to earn here. We're not losing. Hopefully we only earn, and hopefully it doesn't do this again and stop me out. So we're playing it out. We're playing it out. I'm like, yes. I'm like, oh, no, not again. Right? It's going. I'm being patient. Boom. And now I started moving my stop loss too down to here. As you can see, this candle gets really close to my stop loss, or my take profit. I mean, my take profit down here gets really close. I put one TP, I think, here, earned some money there, and then I had another TP down at this bottom. And as you can see, it took a little bit, but then finally, watch, you'll see. Boom. It hit my TP right there. Right? That's my second TP. So let's do a line. We had a TP here. Let's make this line. We had a TP here. And then we had a TP here. And then I had a TP. I think I put it right here. Right? And then let's actually look back, because it'll tell me the prices that I actually sold at. 141.79. Right there. 141.79. 142.5. Let's just do this. 142.5. Control C. Okay. All right, and let's shrink this down. Let's shrink this down. Okay. So then, as you can see, let's shrink this out. Put it out a little further. Sorry, I just want this to be so clear that you guys see. So now as it plays out a little bit more, you see, okay, it starts moving down a little more. Okay. Now it hits all my take profits, right? Now I'm out. Now I'm out of the trade. Okay. So now let's go back to, let's exit out of this replay. We're going to exit out, go to real time now. And now we'll just kind of like do some, and as I want you guys to know this too, as the trade is going, right? Oh, that's wrong. As the trade is going, I'm actively moving my stop loss, which I'll make a little line of what my stop loss is. This will be my stop loss, and it's going to be the red line. Okay. As I'm doing this, I'm moving my stop loss to these little white bars. Okay. So as it's moving down, I moved it down. Then it was playing around here. Then it broke, right? Then I move my stop loss down even further, right? Then I move it down to here. Okay. And then now it's breaking down here. After I hit this TP, I was like, okay, I really want to start making sure I only secure profit. So I'm like moving it pretty tight. Oh. Right. So as it's moving too, I'm moving my stop loss to guarantee profit that this trade will not lose me money. So yeah, I wanted you guys to kind of understand how I made that decision to open this trade. Now, if you go here too, you couldn't see this in the replay because it doesn't do the Heikin-Ashi. But this one also was a big indicator for me of taking this position, was a bearish engulfing candle here. That is also another big indication of why I took that trade. What time frame do you use to trade? On this one, it's a 5-minute time frame. But it also depends on the type of trade. Like if price enters this yellow box, like we talked about earlier in the trade or in the stream, I'll probably be trading based off like the 4-hour time frame. It just depends for me on the move I think that's going to happen and how long I want to be in that move. So these like short ones, right? The short positions, I don't like being in a short position very long. Short positions to me are a little more scary because there's infinite up that it can do rather than there's not infinite down. And so I like to do, and when it comes to short positions, low time frames because I don't like being in them very long. Now, long positions, I'm willing to be in for a very long time. Sometimes it could be a week or more that I'm in a long position. What is the details on the moving average you use? On the moving average? Do you mean the VWAP? The VWAP, the indicator? This guy right here. Volume weighted average price is an indicator I'm using. What is the details on the moving averages you use? Yeah, VWAP. Okay. VWAP is the indicator I use. That's that blue line up here, that neon blue line. And then the other indicator, these other lines, the purple lines and the pink line, that is this indicator, 3 smooth moving average. And if you go to my settings on the 3 smooth moving average, let's go to my settings so you can see. It's a 9-day moving average, 20-day, and a 50-day. So the dark purple, right? The dark purple line, this dark purple line is the 50-day. The lighter purple is the 20-day, and the pink line is the 9-day moving average. And then you have my 3-line strike indicator. 3-line strike TTF, the trading floor. That is this indicator with these like arrows. It just shows me when there's an engulfing candle. You don't really need that indicator. You can see it by eye. But it is nice to helpful to just kind of look like, oh, there's an engulfing, there's an engulfing, there's an engulfing, there's an engulfing. And I just like having it. And then my last indicator is my volume indicator, which I still don't quite know how to use volume. I have it there, but I don't really use it. I just kind of use the VWAP and price action. I'm still learning volume. I don't want to pretend like I know how to use volume. I don't want to like be a poser. I honestly don't really know how to read volume on how to let it identify a trade. And so I'm not going to try to teach you guys how to do volume because I honestly don't know it very well. But I do know now the VWAP. The VWAP is, I like that indicator. So yeah, I hope that was helpful on why I took that trade this morning, and why I decided to do that. Do we have a pending friend request? Nasif. Sure, we'll accept the friend request. They're in our community. Kudos for the honesty about volume. Oh, thank you. I hope that's like, yeah, I don't want to lie to you guys and be like, oh yeah, volume, it's because there's a lot of red columns here, that's why I did it. No, I don't. I honestly had no idea what the indication on volume is. But it's there because I'm learning it. I'm trying to learn, so then eventually I can tell you guys what I learned. But right now it's just an indicator there to hopefully help me learn eventually. What I kind of think, this could be wrong, but I think this is what I understand. If you look at the volume right now, right? Let's do a volume a quick assessment on my understanding. But this was not why I took a trade. This is just something I'm seeing on the chart of why I think volume could be a good indication. If you see here, see this trend on the volume? See how it's a lot of red candles or red columns and it's a rising, that I think with what I've understood so far on the YouTube videos and the things I've read up on about volume, could be an indication. If someone's in the chat who actually knows volume way better than me, is that if that's an indication, could you give me like a thumbs up or something? If you guys like, if you maybe if you know that is looks like a divergence. Yeah, I think with this rising, right, as it's getting closer to that yellow box we really want. Oh, I realize my line doesn't stay. As it's getting closer to the yellow box, I think we're going to get a divergence, right? We're going to get an exhaustion on the sell, and we're going to begin, buyers are going to begin winning. This app is TradingView. TradingView. Let me show you the site. I love this site. TradingView. Pretty much if you're a day trader or if you're trying to become a day trader, you should use this site. You shouldn't be using anything else in regards to charting. This is the best one. And it's free. Okay. It does not cost you any money. It is completely free. TradingView is this site. It even has a mobile app too. I'll open it up right now for you. It also has a mobile app. See? See my chart? Oh, my chart. Literally the same exact one. It literally loads, does all your alerts. So if I set an alert on my desktop, it'll alert me on my phone too. All these alerts I have in this box, it'll show me on my phone too. So I love TradingView. Highly recommend it. Okay. Didn't know you can live trade through the app. You can, but no, I can't. I did paper trading, but my live trading is actually over here on this account, BLOFIN. That's where my live trading is. You can connect brokerages though to do live trading on TradingView. If you have, where is it? Oh, right now it's my paper trading. But you can, if you have a brokerage that will link to TradingView, you can do live trading from here. You just need a brokerage that connects to it. Like TradeStation, Webull, Bybit connects to it, Bitflex, or no, Bitstamp. There's a lot. You can if you go to TradingView, you can actually look at brokers. And then once it loads up, these are the brokers you can connect, right? TradeStation, you can do crypto ones, Bybit, OKX, Binance. They all connect to TradingView. You got stocks, TradeStation, Saxo. You got futures trading. You got AMP futures, TradeStation. TradeStation looks like a really good one. I was looking into it, but they don't do crypto. So, and I'm a crypto trader. So I'm not doing it. What leverage do you like to use? That's a good question, actually. On this trade was 2x leverage. Okay. Cause I'm still learning this indicator. So I wanted to lessen my risk. So I only did 2x leverage. Usually when I'm more confident, I'm trading 5x leverage, is my sweet spot. I don't like to trade more than 10x. I very rarely, I have to be so freaking confident in a trade to do 10x leverage. Most of the time I'm doing 5x. That's my everyday leverage. But right now, as I'm learning this new trading style, I'm probably going to stick to 2x until I'm like winning almost every trade like I used to be. Right now I'm sticking to 2x, but once I get more comfortable, I'll be going back to 5x. That's my sweet spot. Oh, I hate it when I do that. Oh, dang it. There we go. Looks like we're having a little correction here. We'll see. I want to see what it does on the 9 here. Honestly, I'm kind of done with taking short positions right now. I just wish that trade didn't close out. It wasn't supposed to close everything out, but I guess that TP was 100%. So, I mean, I'm not bad. I'm mad about it. We still made almost $800 today. So, I'm just waiting for price to enter this box, and maybe it does it today. It could very well enter this box today. I'm going to delete all these drawings so it just cleans up our chart. I hate having a messy chart. It's like one of my biggest pet peeves. I want to move on to what I also wanted to show you guys, that what I've been doing. So $100 to $200 with 5x. No, so if you had 5x leverage with $100, you would be trading with $500. So I usually put in my collateral is like $30,000, like $33,000. So I'm really trading with $150,000 or $180,000, $70,000, $170,000. So 5x leverage, you just take whatever your collateral is, which is whatever you entered and put in that trade, and then multiply that by 5, and then that's what you're really trading with. So if you put $100 in and you use 5x leverage, you multiply the $100 by 5, and then you're actually trading with $500, not $100. And it just allows you to make more money with whatever you have. So if you had $100 and you moved 5%, you're only making $5. But if you had $500 and you move 5%, I think you're making like $20, right? Or $25. So you're just able to make more money with the little money you have. Now, if you're using leverage, though, you can also lose a lot more money quicker. So you need to be careful. That's why I don't like going over 10x, because when you get over 10x, you lose a lot of money with little moves. And you need to have risk management. I missed some other questions. What leverage do you thoughts on SoFi? I don't know SoFi. Just to be honest with you, Goop, I don't know what SoFi is. For day trading, what's the highest time frame you mark up for the yellow box? 4 hours. So when I do my support and resistance, I like to mark it off the 4-hour time frame. I start off on the weekly. So basically what I do, I'll share with you how I find my support and resistance. I start off on the weekly and do like really big boxes that are unrealistic, right? Because like if I did a support and resistance on this area, like this wick, that is from 137 to 118. That's a $20 swing. That's huge. That's a massive support. So I start putting my box there, and then I go down the day, and then I look from the day. Okay, how can I shrink that down? Okay, let's shrink it from this candle. So then I shrink it down to this candle's wick, right? And also this candle's wick, right? That's where I shrunk it here and then here. I use these candle wicks. And then I went to the 4-hour time frame, and then I shrunk it down even more so I can get like even more of a sniper shot on the support. And then if you go over here, you can see it's on this wick and these wicks over here. And then you got this support area right here. And then that's at 4-hour is where I base all my support and resistance on. The 4-hour time frame. Let's go back to the 5-minute. There we go. How do taxes work for a beginner trader? Depends on your brokerage. So if you are, say you're trading with Webull, or Robinhood or Bybit or Coinbase, whatever. If you're trading and you're a day trader, at the end of the year, those brokers will give you, I think it's like a 1099 or something like that. It's a tax form that basically says, hey, Mateo, you're the guy who asked the question. Mateo started his account with $100. He had a great year. He made $1,000 on that $100. They're going to say, okay, he had a $900 realized gain over the year, and you'll pay taxes on that $900 that you earned. And the taxes kind of depends on wherever you live, right? Where I live, I think taxes can be as high as like 47% on the realized profit, right? Now, say you're a decentralized trader. They're not giving you that, and they're not reporting your profits to anybody. It's all like an honor based. So when I make profits and I send it to my bank, I have a business bank account and stuff, and I like send it through that, and it's a like I have to keep track of it. Brokerage is not keeping track of it. I just need to make sure I pay my taxes on that, and then you report it with the IRS with your filings that you do every year, for me at least. But the easier way is if you just do it in a brokerage, they will literally give you a form at the end of the year that says this is what you made and this is your estimate on what you owe, and they make it very easy. Like TradeStation, if you want to be in a really good brokerage that like is for the United States, TradeStation's a great one. Bybit is not compatible with United States. OKX, I honestly don't know about that one. But they also have like Webull. Webull, where's can I search? Where's Webull? I know Webull's on here. Webull's on here somewhere. But like Binance might be one that you could do for the United States. I don't know if they connect Binance.us to TradeStation or TradingView, but Binance is one. But yeah, they kind of give you a form of what you would owe by the end of the year. I know Coinbase makes it very easy. And I think Coinbase actually does leverage trading. Does Coinbase have leverage trading? I'm pretty sure they do. How much leverage is available to me if I'm eligible to trade? Up to 10x leverage. Let's check it out. Coinbase even has leverage trading, and they actually give you the form. I just personally don't like using sexes, but I've been looking into it. Eligible traders can access maximum leverage up to 10x. There will be specified limits per contract and at $1 million cap on the notional value for all positions. So you can't take more than $1 million out in your positions. Limits per contract. You can trade Bonk, Floki, Pepe, Sat, Sheeb. Let's see if they got Solana. They got JDO. Jupe. Oh, they have Solana then. Have they got these? Yep, Sol. Oh, your max is 280. Maximum quantity is 280 Sol. That's not a lot. Huh. Maybe I look into Coinbase and start trading with Coinbase. I don't love the idea, but I like trading decentralized finance. Oh, look at that bullet bearish engulfing candle right there on the chart. But yeah, yes, they have futures trading. Yeah, they I know they have it. I was just wondering how much leverage they can do, which it's up to 10x, and you can trade a lot. Actually, it looks like you can do a lot. But I know they changed the leverage based on the token. It looks like Solana you can't do as high leverage as maybe Bitcoin. I'm sure Bitcoin's probably the highest. You use BLOFIN? I'm trying it out right now. I'm trying it out. This is my 3rd day using it. I'm just testing it out. I like it. I like it a lot. No KYC. It's a decentralized exchange. Or actually, I don't know if it's decentralized exchange. I actually doubt it is. But it allows me to just drop in my amounts and a no KYC, and I can trade on it. I really like this one. I really like Drift Protocol. I've been using them for a while now. The only issue I don't like about Drift is that I can't if I want to put in a trade, I have to put in my entire my entire account that's funded into the trade. I can't like BLOFIN, I can put $1,000 in and not all 33,000. So yeah, that's what I don't love about Drift. And I wonder if I can ask them too if that's something they can add where like I don't have to put my entire portfolio into one single trade. I can break it out. I use BITUNIX, has no KYC. Nice. Yeah, there's a lot out there with no KYC. Yeah, BITUNIX, that's nice. There's also Zeta. There's Jupe. There's Flash Trade. I know a lot. I've used a lot of different ones. I got at least 6 or 7 that you could use. But I do like Drift a lot. I want to show you guys something. I want to show you guys how I practice my trading on this new strategy. Like, how did I practice it? And it's paper trading, okay? So if you go to TradingView and you want to have paper trading, right? Let's open. I have no positions open in my paper trading. We're going to do a paper trade right now because I think we have I don't want to do a live position, but we're going to do a paper trade right now. Let's see how much time is left. A minute. All right, we'll see what this does. So if you open up your paper trading on TradingView, let me scroll out of this just so you can see everything. This is paper trading. You have this tab. Usually you would have a different tab that says pick a brokerage, and then there's paper trading option. You would click on that. I have paper trading, and you click trade, right? So trade opens up this little box right here where I can open up oh, I'm a little too far. Opens up this box where I can open up a fake position, but it trades like real money. Okay. So to practice my situation here, I use paper trading because it's no risk to me. It just shows me, am I profitable trader on this, and am I doing it the right way? And right now we're going to do a paper trade on this because it literally costs no money. I think there's going to be a sell opportunity here. And so I'm going to do it. I'm going to add a stop loss. I'm going to add it to the top of this wick. 143.33. Okay. And we're going to, if we have 40 seconds less, I'm not going to open it until this one's closed. But I think I like what this is doing. And then I sell because I'm doing a short. So you would sell, and I'm practicing. I'm saying, hey, is this going to work? 20 seconds left, and we'll see if we'll open it. If it doesn't go white, I'll open it. But this allows me to practice my strategy that says, am I reading these charts right? Am I doing this the right way? Okay. I don't love that. I don't love what it just did. I'm not going to open it up yet because I don't like that. I don't like what it just did. But if I wanted to, right, I just would sell this and it opens up a fake position on my trade, on my screen. Okay. I kind of want to just do it just to show you what it looks like. I want to do a natural because I'm trying to actually grow the paper trading account to actually, I don't want to just do one and potentially lose money on here. But yeah, when I open this, now it simulates a fake trade. Okay. And you can move your stop loss around. You can add a take profit. You can do all that. And then down here, you can't see right here, it shows my account balance, right? So it gives you fake $100,000. It's all practice money, but it's $100,000 it gives you. And you can see as you practice, is this growing or shrinking? Right now you can see I've earned $1,154.09. Okay. And you can go to my history of my orders or my what I've done, right? Filled, what is done, right? You have a trading journal that you can add in here. You can do add a trading journal stuff on the orders that you had. You can go account history, right? P&L. I had a negative $919 trade. That was fake. Then I made another $1,000, then another $1,000. So I was like, oh, okay, I'm learning this. Right? So you can see, go back. Am I profitable? How much am I making on these trades that I'm doing? And then you can even go to your orders, right? So if I had an order open, you can go what is working, what is inactive orders, what have been filled, what have been canceled, right? What have been rejected, all that stuff. So I really, really like, and I highly, highly recommend paper trading. If you're new to futures trading, if you're new to day trading, you should not be putting your real money in until you've practiced paper trading, period. You should not be putting $100. You should not be putting $1,000. You should not be putting $10,000 in until you've done paper trading and you've been profitable. Okay. That is 100%. I do not recommend anybody to move forward in day trading unless you've done paper trading first. Okay. It is a tool that is so helpful in identifying whether you're a profitable trader or you suck and you need to do better. Right? In the beginning, I did paper trading for like 3 or 4 months and I sucked. I lost. I literally liquidated an account, a fake paper trading account, and I had to open up a new one. If I would have opened up a real account with real money, I would have lost that money. Then my trading journey would have been done. Right? Do not start your trading journey unless you do paper trading first. Okay? I can't stress that enough. And there's literally zero risk. There's no risk for you to do paper trading. Now you could say, oh, well, if I could have earned that $1,000 in real life, not the fake money. No, you would have lost $1,000 first, right? Look at my account history. You would have lost $1,000 first, and then you'd have been like, I'm done. Dude, I just lost $1,000. I don't want to do this anymore. I just lost $1,000. I needed that $1,000, right? You wouldn't have done the $2,000 next after it because you would have been already so down and your mindset would have been upset. You would have been frustrated with trading and you would not have gone to the next 2 trades. So I like paper trade before you get into real trading, right? It's taken me, I'm at 9 months now in trading. It's taken me 9 months to get here and I'm still very early in my trading journey. I'm still very early in understanding how to do this and become a profitable trader. And so please, please, please paper trade before you put real money in. Even if it's $100, you're like, it's $100. Don't lose the $100. Be patient, do paper trading, and then turn that $100 into $1,000 once you become profitable, right? So yeah, please guys, please do it. I hate seeing it when people don't do that and then they put real money in and they lose it and then they're like, I hate trading, I'm done. Paper trade first. Paper trade first. It's a literally like a superpower. Because when you become profit, like if you can be a month into paper trading, I recommend paper trade for a month. And if you can be profitable at the end of that month, then put real money in. But if you can't be profitable within a month, continue practicing. Can go watch YouTube videos, come watch our streams, jump in the Discord and tell me how you're learning and tell me what's frustrating you and tell me where you need help. Let's work together on this. But yeah, like day trading can be something that changes your life, but it could be also something that really ruins your life if you don't respect it and practice it like you should be. So that's my little rant on paper trading and why I really recommend you should do it. So actually let's do a paper trade right now. It's kind of rejecting off that 9 like I want it to. We're going to do it. I'm just going to put it in and I'll show you guys what it looks like. So we just sold, right? We entered in. Now this is my stop loss. This is my entry and I'm going to add, let's add a take profit at this yellow box, right? Say we want it at the 139. Let's do 140 is our take profit. We'll do 140. Okay. So now you have my take profit. Okay. So now you can literally see how you're doing. And then down here, right? down here on the live position, you see I'm up 130 bucks in this fake account, right? We're up $300 now, right? And now you can see, oh, okay, I was right. If it holds the 9 on a correction, we're good. Like that was a smart move. And maybe, I mean, it's still got to play out, but you get to learn like, okay, that was a good move. In real money, that's something I should take note of. Well, we got to kind of wait and let it play out, but we got to see what happens. But right now in the fake account, we're up $177. And if you look over here in this little corner on the box, it shows you your P&L too. So if you had a lot of positions open, it'll tell you your P&L across everything you have open. I don't even know what okay, yeah. That was the size I wanted to do. So yeah, now you have a fake trade in that acts as real money that gets to show you how you do. And it also gets practice on how to actually use a brokerage, right? Like all my brokerages, if I grab this stop loss, I can move it and you modify it. There you go. Now it's way up here, but we wanted our stop loss here, right? Modify. And it also shows you if our stop loss gets hit, we would lose almost $700, right? So, okay, that's a big risk. I'm risking a lot to earn potentially $1,500, okay? And this might work. This might work in this fake trade. But it just allows your mind to can you switch between real money and play money? It depends on if you have a brokerage account attached to your trading view. But me, I cannot switch to real money on this account. I would have to go to my brokerage or my exchange and then do the trade over there. So yeah, I'll often, like this morning, I opened up a fake trade at the same time I opened up the real trade just to see how they both played out. And if they both won, then both accounts are winning, right? So I usually have I'll do like this. So this is my real money account and this is my fake money account. And I'll have them like next to each other, right? This is my real money account. This is my fake money account. And I'll have them open next to each other and get to do the trades together. That's how I switch from real money to fake money. But you can switch to real money on this if you have the right brokerage that connects to TradingView. My brokerages don't. Or the exchanges I use do not connect to TradingView. Why do they not connect to TradingView? That is I guess TradingView just doesn't want to connect to them. I don't really know. I don't know why they limit it. Oh, it might be actually because this is like a really Web3. So it uses a lot of Web3 tech where TradingView uses kind of like older tech, right? Oh no, why real money and fake money? Oh, I like to use fake money and grow this fake money account just to see how I'm profitable and just to see like, is my strategy working? So I like to do it in both. It's just kind of fun for me, mainly. Yeah. There's no real reason to do. If you're going to trade real money and you just want to focus there, trade real money. But I like to do it for practice and just for fun. And I like to grow a fake account. Like it's fun seeing like this go. I've gotten fake accounts to like $150,000, and it's like, dang, I made $50,000 on my strategy on this fake account, and it's fun to see that. And there's literally like no stress. There's no anxiety on you on a fake account. Where real money, you feel the stress and anxiety. Like you feel it. It's like yeah, you have to teach yourself to not allow the real money to take over your mindset and like your being, like, because it literally can ruin people's lives. Should you trade Nvidia? I trade cryptocurrencies. I don't trade normal stocks, so I honestly do not know if you should trade Nvidia or not. So you have to pay TradingView to use that, right? You know, I don't know if paper trading is a paid wall. I have the pro version, but I'm pretty sure when I was using my free account, you had the opportunity to do that too. But there are other places you can do paper trading. Here's a place you can do it. MEXC.com. You can do paper trading on this exchange. Let me wait until it pops up. MEXC, you can do paper trading. Where else can you do paper trading? This guy, let me show you this YouTube account. He was actually the first paper trading account I ever opened, was because of him. The moving average. Marty, I'm pretty sure is his name. This guy also has links under his videos. Let's see if we can find a link right now. Let's see if he actually has a video on paper trading. I think he does. Ooh, you need a journal. Maybe this one. I'm going to pause it. He should have a paper trading account link in here. Funder Pro, start your funded account challenge here. I think it's the Funded Pro. This guy has some. If you watch some of this guy's videos, the moving average, he was actually the first paper trading account I ever opened. He shared one in one of his YouTube videos. I also have Coinbase, so I have E-Trade, but never got into day trading and stop losses, etc. Let me catch up on some of these chats real fast. Can you switch between practice? So you have paper trading to view to use that. So you have to pay. Oh, okay. Also, do you keep an Excel doc of like entries, exits, PRs, and win rates to track if profitable? I do not keep an Excel doc because my exchanges actually keep that information for me. So I just go to my exchanges or the trading view and I can go to account history and then it'll show me if I've been profitable or if I've been negative. So that's why I like using those exchanges, because they'll actually do that for me. So I have E-Trade, but never got into day trading and stop losses, etc. I also have Coinbase. Coinbase does have trading like stop losses, take profits, and stuff like that. E-Trade, I've never used E-Trade for day trading, so I could not tell you with an honest opinion if it does. What changes you on? Oh, what exchanges are you on? I'll show you every exchange I'm on right now. Drift is one. Open image. That's not a good. Drift protocol is an exchange I'm on. Okay. BLOFIN is one I've used. BLOFIN.com. Drift is app.drift.trade. This is one that's been one of my favorites for I've used this exchange for years. Probably 4 years now. Jup.ag, Jupiter Exchange. I love Jupiter Exchange. One of my favorites. I can also show you actually based off X. I'll show you their profiles, so it makes it a little more easier. Trading Ninja. I don't know Trading Ninja. Never used it before. Actually, never even heard of it. Not to say that it's not good, but I just had never heard of it. Let's see. So let's go. I've used this one, but it requires KYC. Okay. I've used MEXC. The reason why I stopped using it was because I no longer could use the futures account because it required KYC, and I wasn't in a place that I wasn't in a country that would allow me to use it. MEXC is very good if you have a country you're allowed to use it in. I really like MEXC. Actually, that would honestly be the one I would be trading on, but I just can't. Drift. This is now probably my my favorite right now is Drift. They have a good rewards program for trading. I've earned a lot of fuel is what their rewards are. But yeah, Drift is a very good one. Then I have what I'm using right now. BLOFIN. Okay, BLOFIN is also a good exchange. And then let me show you the last one of my favorites. They're good for just swapping, and also they have perps trading. Jupiter Exchange. This has been the one I've used for 4 years. I love Jupiter. They're absolutely amazing. They reward you very well for using their exchange. You can just do spot swaps. You can buy meme coins. What's the best for a first-time trader? Yeah, I got a lot. I could even go even more. There's also like Zeta. Zeta is very much like Drift. There's Zeta markets, very much like Drift. I prefer Drift over Zeta though, personally. I could go even further. Flash Trade is also a really good one. All right, this will be the last one I'll show you. Flash Trade is also a very good one. They're newer. Really like them too. Okay, so what's the best for a first-time trader? What's an exchange best for a first-time trader? A best for a first time. Best for first time might be Jupiter. Let me show you. Because you got perps, and it's very easy to use. Like their UI is extremely easy to use. You would need a Web3 wallet, though, to use this in order to use their exchange. But it's very easy. You literally just put, like, what are you using, USDC? How much do you want to put? If it's $100, right? I want to do 5x leverage. And I would then be able to execute. Like, it's very easy to use. What's the best for first time? How much should I start with? Start with what you're willing to never see again. If that makes sense. Start with money you're willing to never see again. Like it's not your rent money. It's not your car money. It's not your savings account. Like start with money that if you lost it that same day, it would not affect you. That's what you should start with. I don't know your finances. I don't know what that is, what that amount is. But you need to assess what could you be okay with losing tomorrow and your family or yourself would not be in trouble. Do you have a referral code for BLOFIN? I think I do. Can I refer? Referral. Hey, we got a referral code, I think. Here's my referral code right there. I'll put it in the chat actually right now. That's my referral code for BLOFIN. If you use it, or the link. Actually, let me give you the link. That's probably better. If you would like the code, if you would like the link to BLOFIN, you could always DM me too, and I'll shoot it over to you via DMs. I think I also have a referral for Drift too. Yeah. I'll share the Drift one too. This is the Drift protocol one. I'm putting in the chat. Okay. I'll put it in actually all the chats. That's my Drift protocol. And then this is my BLOFIN. Use whichever one you would like if you would like to trade. There you go. I just shared them across all my chats. Let me catch up on some of these questions. Do you have a referral code? Like, I want to do this, but not lose all my money. Yeah, I'd recommend D-Chain. I think that's how you pronounce your name. Do the paper trading then. Practice there, and then if you're profitable for a month, then take whatever you're willing to never see again and then put it in a real account. What's the max leverage on BLOFIN? Max leverage is, I think it goes up to 100x leverage. Let me see right now. Oh my gosh. 125x leverage is the max on BLOFIN. 125x leverage. I have Web3 through Coinbase. Awesome. Yeah, you can use Coinbase on those accounts. Good call. I have like $18,000 invested in crypto. Oh, dude, that's great. Maybe you can take some profits off that 18K you've invested and use it for day trading. Can't see. Thanks for the info. I got to run. Oh, dude, thank you so much for hanging out and chatting. I really appreciate it. I hope you have a great rest of your day. And I'm excited to see your trading journey, man. If you're still here, join up on the Discord. And I'd love to hang out with you more and be there with you through your trading journey. So, yeah. Let's see. We've got a lot of good questions today. A lot of good questions. And we got a new subscriber on YouTube. Guri. Thank you so much for subscribing. That was about 24 minutes ago. Sorry I missed that. But thank you so much for subscribing to our YouTube channel. Let's check how our fake trade is doing. It's in profit still. It's not very strong, but it's respecting the 9-day moving average. It's respecting it. And our poll just ended for the Discord, and it looks like the morning time won. So morning time is where we're going to keep our streams at. Just followed. I'll be joining the Discord. Have a great day, and thanks for the advice. Heck yeah, dude. Heck yeah. Thank you so much. I'll be looking forward to hanging out with you in the Discord. Just a reminder, tomorrow morning, we're going to do morning TA in the Discord. It's a private session just with me. It's in the voice chat, so you can join. You can speak with me. You can hang out. You can chat with me. If you don't want to connect your voice, there's a text channel you can text in. And also, Friday, we have a live stream in the morning and then a game night at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So if you want to take part in the game night, come hang out. We're gonna play some Call of Duty and maybe even play the beta. If it's live yet, I don't think it goes live till Saturday, but hopefully it's live on Friday. And maybe we play Black Ops 6 or we play like Warzone or Modern Warfare 2 or whatever people have. And we're just going to have fun, hang out as a community. What moving average do you use? I need to join the Discord. How? So the Discord, do you see this code on the screen? It's like right there. That code, if you go to join a server, you can just literally paste that code in the server. It'll allow you to join. Or in my link tree, in my bio on TikTok or on any other bio I have, there's a link tree, and the Discord link is also in there. So if you don't want to do the code and you just would rather use the link and just join up that way. And the moving average I use is the VWAP, and this I'll show you the VWAP right here, volume weighted average price, and then the smooth moving average is my other moving average. And it's the 9 is the pink line, the 20 is the purple, and then the dark purple is the 50-day moving average. Yes, BLOFIN does have a trailing stop loss, but I also don't quite understand how to use it. I know it's you can base it off once price hits a dollar amount, it initiates a trailing stop loss, and then that trailing stop loss will trail the price from a percentage distance or a dollar amount distance that you set, and then it'll trail the current price of your move. I do want to use it though, because I love trailing stop loss. I manually do my trailing stop loss now, but I would like to learn how to do where auto does a trailing stop loss. Where can I join Discord? It should be in my TikTok bio. Let me see. It should be in my TikTok bio. I linked it. Where can I join Discord? If you go to my Storm King, if you go to my X account on my profile, this link tree right here, I'll show you this link tree, or you can just go to linktr.ee. Here, I'll put it in here. linktr.ee/Soul Maniac. If you go to that link, you join our free Discord, and it's right there. That's where you can join. linktr.ee/Soul Maniac, and then click the join our free Discord. And then here's also my referrals. You got my Drift Protocol, Earn Grass, Best VPN, Whales Market, vidIQ, and I'll also add my BLOFIN, and I'll add my BLOFIN one too in there so you guys can have it. Let me actually do that right now. Let's do that right now. I'll add my BLOFIN on that link tree, so you guys can have the BLOFIN one too. Oh, nice. We got some more people joining. Let's see. This _AZ just joined, our 54th member inside the Discord. Heck yeah. Let's go. More people in the Discord. Let's go. We just got our 54th member. And it sounds like we're going to get a couple more with the people that want to join up. There you go. I'm actively adding the BLOFIN referral link to the link tree right now. Just got to get the link again. Let's do this. Support us by using referral links. Add a link. Let's do copy URL. Add. Go. Where did it put it? Up there. And then there we go. There we go. There, now it's on there. Now it is on there. Let me show you. So now you got my BLOFIN one too. BLOFIN, Drift, Earn Grass, all that. There you go, buddies. There you go, my buddies. Can we go night mode on this thing? This is horrible. It's so freaking bright. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's helpful when you sleep for trades longer than a day. Just trying to figure out how to use. Yeah, I like to trade Sol as well. Seems to have better movement than other coins. Yeah, I love Solana's my all-time favorite coin to trade. That or Bitcoin. I don't really trade Bitcoin. I try to just focus in on Solana when I trade. Oh, look at that. Looks like our fake trade is now not doing too hot. So I'm going to move this actually down a little just to protect the losses on here. But this is a fake trade. It's fake. It's all just to show you guys how I do my fake trading. But what was I talking about? Yeah, oh, Solana. Yes, Solana's my favorite coin. By far. I trade it every day. It's pretty much the only coin I trade every day. I just like to really focus in on, I know the coin very well. And it gives really great price movement and always presents an opportunity. Pretty much every single day there's an opportunity to make a good trade. Some days not so much, but today we had a great trade. right down here. We made about $800. So $780 actually. Let me be accurate. What time are you live in the morning? So tomorrow morning in the Discord, I am live at 7:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. It might be earlier, could be a little later, but I'm live in the Discord tomorrow morning at 7:30 a.m. But then on Friday, so Monday, Wednesday, Friday, I'm live every 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time on like my social profiles. So TikTok, Twitch, X, YouTube, 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Tuesday, Thursday, I'm live privately in our Discord, 7:30 a.m. when I normally start my trading. Soul Maniac, you following Mutant Sun Soul MOSC? I'm not Shadow. I don't know what that is. I agree, it moves well. Yeah, dude, Soul's my favorite. That's why I'm the Soul Maniac. That's why that's my name, Soul Maniac. I literally love Solana. I bought it at $8. I bought it on the FTX crash, and I've been a part this whole time. Okay, so look at our fake trade. Got stopped out, and we actually lost $312 or $321. See that? So that fake money, we're now only up in the account $833. So we had a fake trade. So now we know from that practice trade, hey, when price touches the 9-day moving average, not a great indicator, right? That was a practice. Let's wait for price to touch our VWAP or to touch our support that we're waiting for. Let's not make a trade here. It's not a very strong indication, right? So now we just learned from our fake trade. And now we didn't lose real money. We lost fake money, and it's not going to like ruin our day, right? I'm not going to have like a huge bummer day because I lost fake $321. But if it was real money, I'm like, oh, dang, man, I lost $320 today. Like, I was hoping to make money today, not lose money. Like, right now it's in your head. It's ruining your mood and all that stuff. So, yeah. So you hold crypto long term as well? Yeah, I've been trading Solana since 2021. Right, like 2021, yeah, Solana. I bought it at 250 at the previous high, and then I wrote it down to $8. Bought some more at $8, and then I've been riding it now it's 142, right? So I'm a very long term perspective person on crypto. Drop a burner, and I'll give you an OG Mint token to show support. Oh, sweet. Thank you, Shadow. Drop a burner. Let me get a burner real fast. It's Solana, right? Shadow, just to make sure I give you the right burner. Yep, okay. I'll drop it right here in this chat. Thanks, dude. I appreciate it. I'll definitely check it out. All right, yeah. So we learned something today, and that's why I've been recommending paper trading to you guys, because now you get to learn using fake money, and it's fun. It's really fun when you start doing it with the paper trading and you start earning. It's really exciting and really fun to like paper trade. I think, at least I have a lot of fun. Make sure to give a follow. Are they on X, Shadow? And if they're on X, can you shoot their handle in the chat, and I'll give them a follow. I'll give them a follow right now if you put their handle in the chat. And check them out. Yep. Oh, that's it. Oh, my bad. Mutant Sun Soul. Oh, Kai's is following them. Huh. Oh, I know quite a bit of Days is following them. Kai's is following them. C, Burns, Strike. Huh. All right, yeah. All right, I just shot a follow over. I don't know if you are the owner of the account, but you should have saw that if you are the owner of the account. But just shot him a follow. Yeah, I missed the $8 sold. Just started crypto this year in April. I had a limit order. I had a limit buy order on Jupiter exchange, that exchange I showed you, at $8, and they hit. I bought at $8.25, $8.75, $8.50, like $9. Like I had a bunch set, and they all hit. I was so hyped. I was literally so hyped. That was probably one of my best trading decisions I've ever made in my life. It was amazing. I made a good amount of money on that. I'm holding Solana though for long term. I just am so bullish on it, and I'm just accumulating more and more and more. Like, yeah, Solana is my favorite. All right, what time is it? It's 11 o'clock almost. We've been streaming for about 2 hours now. Yep, Sol may hit 500. I think so. I think you're pretty accurate on that. 500, I think, is a realistic expectation on once price discovery starts happening. I would not be shocked if we see 500. I think 352 is going to be quick, but I think 500 would be a realistic expectation. That's like a 200% return from previous all-time high, and I think that's realistic. Because I think usually post a Bitcoin halving, usually the returns you see are 300 to 500% returns, which would mean if we saw a 500% return from previous high, that would mean Solana would be $1,000 a coin. I don't know if we see that, but 200% return I think is realistic. Yeah. All right. So yeah, we've been going about 2 hours now. I think I'm going to call this stream pretty soon. But guys, thank you so much for hanging out, man. We've gotten, right now we're like 40 something people, 41, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 42 people in the stream. I just want to really say thank you for hanging out with me on all these streams, man. You guys have been huge support. The way you like my streams, repost, comment, you chat with me, all that, man. I really appreciate it. And I'm really stoked to see more people start joining the Discord. We're almost at, right now we're at 54 members, I think. Yeah, 54 members in the Discord. And we only started it less than a month ago. So I'm really stoked to have you guys be a part of the community. I'm really stoked to start building our community a little tighter and actually getting to know you guys. Like, please, if you're in the Discord, share your handles, like your social media profiles with me so I can make sure I follow you guys. Because if you're in the Discord, I'm gonna like pay attention to you. Like you're a community member that's a part of the Soul Maniac channels and the content we make in the live streams and the Discord. That I want to make sure I like show you guys love too on the timeline. So please share your there's a connect channel in the Discord that you can share your profiles, your link to your X or TikTok or Instagram, whatever you're on, or YouTube, whatever you're on. And I will follow all you guys if you're in there. So yeah, thank you guys so much for hanging out. Please join the Discord if you haven't already. There's a lot coming out. We got our game night, and we got game night this Friday. We got morning Maniac TA tomorrow morning, and then a live stream Friday morning. So Friday's going to be a long day. We're going to have a good long day on streaming and game night. So yeah, guys, yeah, I hope you guys have a great rest of your Wednesday. Again, look out for that support zone that we're waiting for Solana to hit. That's what I'm kind of waiting for my next position to open up. I'm not really looking at opening up anything until price touches that zone. If it does, right? If it does not, then I would have to reassess my strategy. But I think we're touching that support zone very soon. But yeah, if you guys have any questions ever, you can ask in the Discord. You can DM me. You can comment on my posts. And I'm here to help you guys. That's my goal. How do I get Discord? Go to my link tree web. I'll share it right now. Go to this link tree. Go to that link tree, And the link is in that link tree. What is the Discord? Okay. Yeah. Drop your DM on X. Awesome. Thanks, Shadow. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for hanging out, being here. We've had a great stream this morning. Wednesdays are usually my slow streams, but today was popping off. You guys were fun. You guys are hanging out. So that makes me even more excited for Friday stream, because Friday streams are usually always my popping off, my most popping off stream, where we get the most people and most chatting and all that stuff. But man, you guys were amazing today. I'm so thankful. I don't see it on screen. Don't see it on the screen. Let me put it here. Let me share it. Oh, sorry. This is the link tree. Right here. This is the code. Can you see that? This is my link tree. If you type that in on your phone or on your browser on your desktop, that link tree will take you to this, right? Will take you to my link tree, and then join our free Discord is the top button right there, and then that's the link. And that's how you get to the Discord. Or you can use the code on the screen that you see on the screen right there. That code too, the GG3KBNRKFG, that will also work. So say, I'll show you how to do it. So say if you were in Discord, let's just go to the Discord, right? If you were in Discord, you go to this button right here, add a server. You say, join a server. I has an invite already. You say join a server, and then you put in that code. So it's / GG3KB, and it's case sensitive. So if there's a lowercase or an uppercase, you do that, FG. And then if I'm already in, but you would press join a server, and that's all you need. And that's how you would join up on the server. Two, that's the other option. But yeah, guys, we just got another person. Travis. Heck yeah, dude. You're in the chat too. What is the Discord? You're in, man. Welcome in. Check the announcements, right? This is where we got our events coming up. You can also go up here to the events tab, and these are all the events. We got Morning Maniac TA tomorrow morning. We got the Soul Maniac game night Friday night, and then Morning Maniac TA next Tuesday. So the game night is what I'm most excited about. Morning Maniac TA is also something new that we're doing every Tuesday and Thursday morning. But the game night I'm excited about. I get to hang out with you guys. Hopefully you guys can show up. I understand if maybe you can't. It's the first one ever, and so we're gonna see how it goes. Maybe it'll just be me playing video games by myself. But if it's not, hey, that's lit. I get to hang out with you guys. So yeah, check it out. And then there's this tab, the Maniac TA, right? I get to share my TA. I get to share my weekly profits, right? How are my trades going? Things I've bought in or invested in. Whatever. I just share with you guys. Anything. Upcoming events, right? I'll probably put the game night in here. I actually probably should put the game night in here right now. Oh, we just got another one. Let's go, Shadow. Hey, Shadow just joined up. Let's go. We're at now, like, that's 56. 56 members. Nice. We got 4 more just this morning. Or 3 more just this morning. Let's go. That's sick, dude. Bro, if we get 54 people in a game or 56 people in a game night, dude, that's a really fun game night, man. That's a really fun game night. But yeah, guys. Thank you so much for joining in the Discord. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning if you're in there at 7:30 a.m. my time. If you don't know if you want to know what your time is for the Discord, just go to the announcement and it'll actually put it in your time. So it'll auto put it in your time zone. To make it easy. But yeah, 7:30 a.m. PST, that's when we'll do the Morning Maniac TA. And then Friday, we got our live stream at 9 a.m., game night at 6 p.m. PST. So yeah, guys, hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I'll check for any last minute questions before I hop off. Any last minute questions, put them in the chat real fast. But if not, I'll probably end the stream out. Oh my gosh, we just got another one in the Discord. Let's go. Let's go. We just got another one. Our 57th member, Gary. Oh, he's the new sub on YouTube. He's the guy who just subbed our YouTube too. Let's go. Hi, I joined you on Discord. Let's go. Heck yeah. Dude, we're at 57 members. We're almost at 60, dude. We're almost at 60 people in the Discord, dude. I'm hyped. I'm so hyped. Thank you guys so much. I'm really excited. I hope the Discord, you guys find value in it, and I hope it's able to help better you as a trader, help educate you in regards to Solana ecosystem, cryptocurrencies, and anything, really anything. I mean, I'm really focused in on Solana, but I also am very educated in regards to cryptocurrencies as a whole and blockchain. So I can pretty much answer almost any question when it comes to help in that area. So, dude, I'm so stoked. 57 people, man. I was not expecting that this morning. I'm so hyped. I'm so hyped. Today's stream was great. Yeah, Soul, Vet, Crow, ADA, Flux should do well this bull. Yeah. I have some maybe I'll share some altcoins. Oh wait, I got a video coming out. I'm creating my top 5 altcoins for the bull run. I got a video coming out. We're scripting it right now, and you guys will really like that because that's gonna be some really good coins in there. You should be paying attention to for this next bull run. So that'll be coming out hopefully by September. We're currently scripting it, making the thumbnail. Then I gotta record it, edit it, cut it up, post it. Like it takes about a month to do one video for me. But yeah, the ticker is BASC. Oh yeah, Bored Ape Solana Club. That they are OGs in Solana. Their community is very active. All right, guys, looks like we're done. I hope you guys have a great rest of your Wednesday. I will see you tomorrow morning if you're in the Discord. If not, I'll see you Friday at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time for our live stream. Have a great rest of your day.